Are you looking for the best bath bombs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bath bombs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Pure Sanctum Bath Bomb Set. In addition to adding more fizz to your bath water, these Pure Sanctum bath bombs will make your skin smoother and nice to look at. They are made from the natural ingredient like witch hazel, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, unrefined shea butter, sea salt, etc. The bath bombs come in the size of tennis balls and are easy on the hands, whether adults or kids. The pack contains 4 pieces and guarantees you of maximum soothing and rejuvenation without causing any allergic reactions or side effects. This is because it doesn't contain toxic compounds like phthalate, parabens, or artificial dyes. Users love its lush packaging, good smell, and large size. As they are made with natural formula, the bath bombs create quite a little fizz. At number 4, 4 Seasons Essentials Premium Bath Bombs Gift Set. The 4 Seasons Essentials isn't a stranger in regards to bath bombs. This is one of their best products and is ideal for any users including either male and female as well as people with sensitive skin. It's handmade in the USA using quality natural and organic products, and this assures you of effectiveness and safety. Top ingredients include coconut oil, aloe, lavender essential oil, rosemary, bergamot essential oil and many another countless formula. It also comes in a good size and scent that will make the experience more relaxing, soothing, and enjoyable. The 6 pieces, each weighing about 4 ounces, also produce nice fizz that brings out a spa-like experience. At number 3, Moisture-Resistant Bag-Wrapped Bath Bombs. These bath bombs are among the large types in the market. It comes in a pack consisting of 10 units and is individually wrapped with a ribbon label. The bath bombs are revered for the high-quality scent, amazing relaxation, and quick soothing. This is attributed to the high concentration of ingredients like sea salt, flower petals, flower buds, and essential oils. The bath bomb will leave your skin super soft, well moisturized, and smelling nice, and is also loved for its natural form. While it may add some luxury, the glitter doesn't appeal to some people. At number 2, Diamond Bath Bomb Set. Made from pure natural ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut, ginger, vanilla, rose, grapefruit and peppermint, this bath bomb is perfect for the relaxed bathing. It's designed for all ages and bring relief, soothe the body. The natural and organic product is handmade from the best quality and contains different fizzy bombs to suit varied moods and preferences. It's a top product because of the nice fragrance, quality scent, good moisturization and soothing, and amazing fizz. At number 1, Brutal Bathory Blood Bath Bomb. If you would love to add a scary touch to the bathing experience, then this Bath Skull Bomb by Brutal Bathory should be the best option. Just as hinted by the name, the bath bombs come in a skull shape and are orange blood color. They are rich in essential oils that help to moisturize the skin, while the mineral salts for soothing the skin. Some key ingredients include baking soda, magnesium salt, and non-GMO starch. Other than creating quality bubbles and emitting a nice fragrance, the bath bombs are liked for their good size, good color, and non-staining nature. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.